Let's get it.
You already know how we pull up. Where we come out, we gon' roll up. English show when I come up. Y'all smart boy, I keep coming up. Every gon' say I keep came up. Y'all gon' see when I stand up. All of y'all on the link up. All of y'all with a back.
Nature, boy. Hey, man, what's up, guys? Man, you already know this. It's your boy Jeezy613, aka the smoothest man, the O, aka Mr. 613, man. Back with another banger video for y'all, man. And bro, it's crazy, nature, boy. Yes, sir. Drip check. Okay, you feel me? I got the Supernova, you know, the 270. You feel me? I got some black denim jeans. I don't even know what these is. And then I got the Kango shirt. I just got this like 2 days ago, something like that. Two days ago, yesterday. You know, I don't really wear bucket hats like that, but I'm kind of liking it. I kind of feeling it. My sister looks better in it, but I don't even care. So let's go. Now it's just chilling. We said let's just leave all the other parents. Let's just leave all the other parents and just go and explore. So that's what we're doing. And you guys will come on the ride. Nice. It's nice. Construction time. Hey, but tell me if the drip check was valid, bro. You gotta tell me if it's valid. If I'm not dripping like that, you're gonna tell me. Of course I am.
I'm sorry.
Bro, allez par où, bro? On doit même pas être ici. On doit même pas être ici, ça c'est même pas un path, bro. On retourne. Show big forehead looking like, bro. Oh, these girls are hell, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I'm a fourth. Yeah, go back. Go back where you came from, little boy. Go back to the monkey places. About to be swinging from these vines soon. No cap. Hey, you racist, nigga. You racist. Bro, these girls dissed me. Bro, they literally dissed me, bro. Now I'm saying that's tough. How did they just diss me like that? That's tough. I say that's tough. Hey, but it's nice out here, though. There's like parties and everything, bro. Yes, sir. Thanks. Bucket Hat Jeezy. Bucket Hat 613, you feel me? Comment down below, Bucket Hat 613. Bucket Hat 613. the number. Yo, on y va? Yo, on y va, bro. Yes, sir, going crazy. All the Muslim people out here for me. For Eid. Well, look at these girls. Wait. Feel me? All the Muslim people here for Eid. Know what I'm saying? That's crazy. That's crazy for Eid, bro. Eid Mubarak to all the Muslims out there. I don't even know what this video was, really, but guys, for me, I rate the drip, bro. Rate the drip, bro. But, bro, bucket hat 613. Feel me? So, guys, this is the end of the video, man. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and wait. Roll up the outro. Let's get it. Wait. Roll up the outro. Let's get it.
You already know how we pull up. Where we come out, we gon' roll up. English show when I come up. Y'all smart boy, I keep coming up. Everybody gon' say I keep came up. Y'all gon' see when I stand up. All of y'all in the link up. All of y'all with a backup.